I'm on the hood of my Jeep.
Matt's driving.
Whoa. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Keep going. Yeah, you'll be alright. Woo!
Whoa!
Isn't this fun? You out there getting the real off-roading? Oh shit, slow down. Tree. No, stop. Tree.
Space too big.
Go for it then.
I'm close enough.
I can't tell.
No, not happening.
Should I get off? Oh shit.
Where am I going?
I don't know, let me drive. I'm getting cold. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck, asshole.